Hi everyone. Today, let's look at the words late and later. They look similar, but they're used differently. Let's find out how.
In his later years, he lived in the mountains. In his later years, he lived in the mountains.
In the later chapters of the book, the story gets darker. In the later chapters of the book, the story gets darker.
Every day, they get home at 5 o'clock, but today, she got home at 6 o'clock. So, she was late, and she got home later than him. Every day, they get home at 5 o'clock, but today, she got home at 6 o'clock. So, she was late, and she got home later than him.
When's the party?
Not this week. It's on a later date. Not this week. It's on a later date.
The late Professor Brown was loved by all his students. The late Professor Brown was loved by all his students.
He started painting in the late 1990s. He started painting in the late 1990s.
She arrived late at the meeting. She arrived late at the meeting.
She was too late to catch the daily bus, so she had to take a later one. She was too late to catch the daily bus, so she had to take a later one.
You will have 10 seconds for each sentence. Try to quick answer. How many scores will you get?
She arrived very late for the meeting and missed the important part. We can go now or take the later bus. Sorry I'm calling so late. I hope I didn't wake you. We'll talk about that later, okay? The late king was a wise and kind ruler. Let's meet again later this week. I prefer the later version of that movie. My uncle often works late at night. He got home much later than expected. In his later years, he became more interested in gardening.